In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add day separator in TradingView. If you've ever looked at a chart and wished it were easier to see where one trading day ends and the next begins, day separators are exactly what you need. They add clear vertical markers so you can quickly scan your chart, spot overnight gaps, and compare intraday moves from one session to the next. Let's set that up in a few simple clicks. Start by moving your cursor over the chart area and right-clicking anywhere on the graph. In the menu that appears, choose Settings. If right-click is tricky in your setup, you can also click the small gear icon usually found on the chart's toolbar. It opens the same settings window, so use whichever method is most convenient. Once the settings window is open, look for the Events tab. This tab controls how TradingView displays events and markers on your chart. It's the place where you can toggle on visual aids that help segment and interpret price action. Inside the Events tab, find the option labeled Events Breaks and check the box. As soon as you enable it, TradingView will draw vertical separators to break up the days on your chart. This makes it much easier to isolate each session's activity. While you're here, take a moment to customize the look of those separators. You can adjust the line color and style to make them stand out or blend in, depending on your chart's theme. Pick something that's visible but not distracting, like a subtle gray or a soft dashed line. Next, disable the option that says Only Future Events. Turning this off ensures you'll see separators not just for upcoming sessions, but for previous days as well. That way, you can instantly review past price action day by day without guessing where each session begins and ends. When you're done, click OK to apply your changes. Your chart should now show day separators clearly across your visible history. If you don't see them right away, try zooming out slightly or switching to an intraday time frame like 15 minutes or 1 hour, where daily breaks are most helpful. Also, make sure any custom chart template you use isn't overriding these settings. That's all you need to do. With day separators enabled and customized, your charts will be easier to read, your session-by-session analysis will be quicker, and your overall workflow on TradingView will feel more organized. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more informative charts.